Hey guys, this is Blaine from Bar Shield, here to talk to you today quickly about discipline within gym maintenance. So I'm a busy guy, as I'm sure most of you are. In addition to working for Bar Shield, I manage Mad Apple 3C in Indiana. So our gym opened 3 months ago here. We got all new Rogue equipment, so everything here is pretty nice and squared away, easy to maintain. But I do want to get ahead now that we're in for 3 months. I want to get ahead on some maintenance. So quarterly here in my climate control facility, I'm going to be dropping some oil down in the sleeve, make sure things are spinning right, keep those bars working like new so my clients can get PRs and all that good jazz. So the easiest way I find to do this with my limited time is I will go ahead and do that. And it takes me about 30 minutes to clean the floor in here. And then afterwards, I'm going to flip every bar. I can kind of arrange them and spot wipe down some chalk, make sure I get that chalk and moisture off the bar. But I'll flip those as I go, and then I'll just take off for lunch. And by the time I come back, these bars will be fully serviced. Really, total active time of me doing it is less than 5 minutes. And if you build in an activity like cleaning the floor or something, like I said, it takes you about a half hour. You're really going to let that oil diffuse all the way down in the sleeve, make sure that bar's spinning well, and it doesn't take a whole lot of your time. So use your time efficiently like I do, and we'll see you next time.